Welcome to the Church Member Directory Update tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to update your directory information. The member directory is a dynamic resource that needs regular updates. We've created the member data form to make it easy for you to add, modify, or delete entries. Let's get started. Accessing the form. To access the form, click on the link provided or download it from the website's footer section. Remember, you'll need a passcode, which the church will provide. Contact the church office if you haven't received it. Filling out the form. Fill in the required fields carefully. Use the Add Child and Add Parent buttons to include multiple entries as needed. In the freeform text area, provide additional details such as relationships or other relevant information. Uploading a photo. If needed, upload a photo to complete your directory entry. Ensure the file size and format meet the requirements. Reviewing and verifying details. Click the Next button to review your entries. Take your time to verify and edit your information until it's accurate and complete. Submitting the form. And once everything looks good, click Submit. Your form will be sent for approval by vicar or an authorized person. Approval process. After approval, your updated information will be added to the church directory. Contact information and thank you. If you need any help, contact the church office or email the support team. Thank you for keeping our member directory accurate and up to date.